So, what surprised you? Answered in the box. Okay, so what is theme? We're going to do a teach okay. So, I'm going to do the hand motions, then we'll do the hand motions and words together, and then you will do the hand motions and words all together. All right, so theme is a lesson, because a lot of times we learn a lesson in our heart, a lesson about life. The author wants you to learn from reading the story. So here I have the pictures that go with the hand motions in case you forget. Theme in Spanish is called la moraleja. It's not the tema. It's la moraleja, which it means lo que el autor quiere que aprendas leyendo la historia. So this time you do the hand motions. Don't say the words, just the hand motions with me. What is theme? Theme is a lesson about life. The author wants you to learn from reading the story. Okay, so this time you're going to do the hand motions and say the words with me. And you have to say them exactly as I say them. What is theme? Theme is a lesson about life. The author wants you to learn from reading the story. Okay, so a good way to remember that theme is like a message about life the author wants you to learn is this cool trick. So if you're going to spell theme, you start with the T-H-E. So theme is the message. What? Mind blown, right? Because its theme is in this. Theme is the message about life, the lesson about life.